Gotta show off the new merch. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Charlotte Alvarez, but you can call me Jay. So in today's video, I was told that in one of the comments they wanted me to do an eyebrow tutorial, so that's exactly what we are going to do today. So first, before I even start, I'm going to show you the products I'm going to use before I even start the video, because I will be zooming y'all in and I will not be talking during the video, so y'all can get an actual visual up close to see how I do my eyebrows. So to clean up around it and outline it, because I first like to outline my eyebrows before I even start filling them in. So I'm going to be going in with the Clinique Beyond Perfection Foundation Plus Concealer to outline the eyebrows, and to fill them in I'll be using the Anastasia Beverly Heels, and this is in the shade Ebony. And for the angled brush, I'll be going in with the Morphe E11. This is an angled brush. I'm going to show it to you up close. So this is what we're going to be using. So if you want to know how I did my eyebrows, go ahead and keep on watching. And again, do not forget to subscribe, like, comment. And if any of you guys have anything else in mind that y'all want me to do in the video, please let me know below the comments. Enjoy the video.
As for a moment, I forget why we never lasted. With your hand on my knee, every single feeling comes back to me. Your lips pressed against mine after a night out. We got drunk and ended up at your place. That kind of love is not easy to find, babe. I haven't felt that since you went away. Standing here, I need to let you know, what if I had never let you go? Standing here, I need to let you know that I need you tonight. You should know that I miss you. Your face in the crowd, I never thought that I would see you tonight. We lock eyes and you smile. Every single memory comes back to life. Your lips pressed against mine after a night out. We got drunk and ended up at your place. From the moment that I saw you, I knew that it was love, bet that you felt the same.